How to change currency on Tripadvisor. Hey there, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change currency in Tripadvisor. So then to begin with, launch your Tripadvisor account and then log into your account. Once you're logged into your account, this is how the interface is going to look like. So then to change your currency type, click on accounts in the bottom right corner of your screen. This is going to take you to the account info page. Over here you'll be able to see multiple menus. On this page, click on preferences or tap on the gear icon. So under preferences, once again there are multiple options. So you can see that currently my currency type is US dollar. In order to change it so that I'll be able to see the currency type according to the reservation that I've made based on the country, so click on the currency, and over here you can see there are multiple currency available. So select the currency type accordingly, and according to the reservation that you made, you'll be able to see the currency type. So this is basically how you can change your currency on Tripadvisor. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.